Genesis of SCC. Jesus invited the crowds and the simple people and entered into a personal, loving relationship with them. He taught them through his word and his life, but he did not even expect of the 12, let alone of the common people, that they immediately understand everything. What was important for him was that people could meet him personally and follow him as a community of disciples. This was one of the triggering points for both fathers Oswald Hermer and Fritz Lobinger in 1978 to begin the gospel sharing systematically in the SCC groups in Southern Africa. In the gospel sharing, the members listened to the experiences of many personal encounters. They found that many whites expressed their amazement when they experienced the depth of the faith in their fellow black Christians. Though the Diocese of Kotar in 1970s started SCCs in India first, it is the African experience which introduced to the Church a systematic way of learning and implementing the SCCs, starting from the 7-step way of gospel sharing. Since 1980s, we in India started systematically introducing the SCCs in the southern part of India and in Mumbai. It has now spread all over the country. Being a church within the day-to-day realities of life we live and face is the conviction of these SCCs today. Let us now go around the dioceses of Pune, Nagpur and Delhi, see and listen to some of the SCC members from all levels of faithful.
Though I find peace attending church services, I am still not a baptized Catholic Christian, but my husband and children are. Whenever I get free time, I devote it to my church, my parish. I do so because I stay with these families and I share whatever I have and whatever I can. They all do the same. This is how we need to live in our society, we need to live in our community. I can find this feeling in almost every one of our parish. And this is what attracts me the most, and I love my small Christian community.
Backbiting has completely stopped in my neighborhood. We have forgiven all those who were involved in this. Now we take keen interest in each family and in everyone. Now we live as a family of families.
Today, if I am a SCC coordinator of our parish, it is all because of SCC in our parish. Earlier, I was just a Sunday church goer, never been taking part in any activities in the church and never bothered to talk to anybody. But today, I know each and every family in our parish.
मैं संडे मास को चर्च नहीं जाता था, मैं मास से अटेंड नहीं करता था। मेरी मिसेस बार बार बोलती थी कि चर्च चलो, मुझे किसी से कोई मतलब नहीं था। फिर मेरी मिसेस एसएससी ग्रुप की भी मेंबर है, वो उसमें भी बोलती थी चलो एसएससी बैठक में चलो, भाग लो। मैं उसमें भी नहीं जाता था। ये परिवर्तन तब हुआ जब मैं बीमार हो गया। सबों ने उस टाइम मेरी मिसेस को बहुत हेल्प किया। उस टाइम से मेरा मन परिवर्तन हो गया। अब मैं हर मिस्सा पूजा में भाग लेता हूँ और हर एसएससी बैठक में मैं भाग लेता हूँ।
इस छोटी सी उम्र में मेरे बेटे जस्टिन एक्का को थैलीसीमिया की बीमारी हो गई है। ब्लड हर 15-15 दिनों में दिया जाता है। इसका गोली दवाई बहुत महंगी आती है, इससे हमको बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है। लेकिन हमारे लघु ख्रिस्ती समुदाय ने फैसला किया है कि वो हमारी मदद करेंगे। पेरिस के स्वयं सेवकों ने भी मदद की है। जब हमारे पास ब्लड नहीं था तो उन्होंने पैसे की व्यवस्था की है।
भगवान ने सृष्टि का निर्माण किया, बड़ी सुंदरता से हमारी सृष्टि को बनाया है। जब हम गंदा करते हैं तो पोप स्वामी ने हमें कहा है कि वो पाप है, इसलिए हम अपने कलीसिया की बात मानकर अपनी सृष्टि के हित के लिए प्लास्टिक कभी यूज़ नहीं करेंगे। उन्हें हमारे घर में अभी डिसाइड किए हैं कि जब अपने घर में कोई भी प्रोग्राम रहेगा, फर्स्ट कम्युनियन का, बैप्टिज्म का, किसी का बर्थडे का, डिस्पोजल प्लेट या ग्लास वगैरह नहीं यूज़ करेंगे। जो घर के प्लेट और ग्लास है वही हम यूज़ करेंगे।
During our gospel sharing meeting, we have decided to visit a slum called Indra Camp. It is a part of our parish. We didn't know anyone there. We moved on and found a total of 9 families. We have made 3 visits. Every time we took rations and clothes to distribute them. To our surprise, we found that none of them going to Sunday Mass or practice our faith. On our 4th visit, we started to talk to them about our faith, prayer, rosary and gospel sharing. And they willingly accepted it and named their 9 family unit after the St. Francis Xavier. They are regular to Sunday Mass and monthly gospel sharing and now reach out to one another.
Since last 10 to 12 years, I have been visiting this Ulhasnagar area. As a BCC member, I found many Catholic people have joined, other group of Christians. So with the help of the parishioners, we have started here a BCC group. And after many prayers and many sessions, we found that all the people have turned back to our faith. And I'm very happy and I thank God for it.
With the help of my community, I brought up 6 people into our Catholic faith and 8 couples to rectify their marriage. Still I want to do more. 10 years back, I didn't bother about all those things.